Experience driving perfection in the 2009 Nissan Versa. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback still has less than 15,000 miles. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Nissan prioritized comfort and style by including a rear window wiper, a tachometer, and more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Curtain airbags combined with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Come down to our dealership. You'll get a great vehicle at a great price.